Welcome to my story!
Today's story is about Safari Charlie and the missing snake. One sunny morning, Safari Charlie was checking the animal cages. But oh dear, the baby python snake's cage was empty. Where could the snake have gone? Charlie wondered. He called his friends, and together they searched high and low. Stomp, stomp, they walked through the tall grass. Knock, knock, they tapped on the big rocks. Beep, beep, they peeked inside the safari jeep. But no snake. Then, near the shady tree by the river, they heard a soft hiss. There was the python, curled up, resting happily in the cool shade. Charlie smiled. "You're safe, little one," gently picked the python up and carried it back to its cozy cage. Yay, yay! Everyone cheered. The snake was found, and the safari lodge was safe again.
Look what I found! Ah!
Fun fact for kids! South Africa has pythons called African rock pythons. They are very big snakes, but they are not poisonous. They like to stay near rivers and grasslands, and they help keep the animal world balanced. Safari Charlie and his friends learned that even when something goes missing, working together makes the adventure end with a happy smile. The end.